Hey guys, it is Mr. Short. We are back with Eureka Math Squared, second grade Module 4, Lesson 1. I hope your Module 3 assessment went pretty good. We worked over that together, so hopefully that helped you out. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button, like button for me. Let me know there's people out there actually looking at these. It's nice to know. All right, we're on page 7 today. There's no page 8. One problem. That's it. That's all your homework tonight. So let's get this one done. Kate reads 56 pages. Good job, Kate. She wants to read 100 pages. Ooh, that's a good goal. How many more pages does Kate need to read? All right, so she's at 56, and she wants to get to 100. So let's put a line. So this is where she started, and this is where she needs to end. We need to figure out how many more pages she needs to read. So our other problem can be, we're going to put down here. So we need to get from here to here. So what are we doing? We need to know these numbers in the middle. To find the numbers in the middle, we would subtract. We would have 100 minus 56 equals. Well, I just want to do jumps. Let's just jump from here to here and see how we get there. But 6 is not a friendly number. Let's get a 0 on there and make it a friendly number. So how many do I need to jump to make 56 into our next friendly number? I'll give her a hint. Our next friendly number is that number. We're going to jump from here to here. How many did we jump? 4 is correct. All right, now we need to get to 100. We could make one more big jump, or we can make some little jumps. This ends in a 0. This, ends in a 0. So let's make 10 jumps. So 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. And 90 plus 10 is 100, right? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we got to 100. But now we need to figure out how we got there. So we got to add 4 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Let's go the other way. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 10 is 30. I'm sorry. Do that again. Sorry, I started counting in my head again. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 40 what? 10, 10, 10, 10, 4. Add those all together. Zeros, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 44, right? This would be 44. So Kate needs to read 44 more pages. See that? We started at 56. We jumped 4 to get us to a nice friendly number, which was 60. From 60, we went 4 more jumps at 10 to get us there. And our problem is 100 minus 56 equals 44. Right here, we're showing we added up our jumps to get the number 44. It's saying Kate only needs to read 44 more pages. She is almost there. All right, this was a quick one. All right, this is our first one again for Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 4, Lesson 1. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a good night.